see me, but it's currently 7:37. Like, it's early in the morning, and rain fell yesterday. So I decided to like go out and check how the environment is, even the road they are building, how it is and how far they have gone. And another thing is I want to check. People are looking at me as if I'm weird. Another thing is that I heard that flood broke their new gutter, like the gutter they were building. So let us go and check what is happening. So stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notifications to see whenever I post. Bye guys, see you later. Good morning guys, please kindly smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notifications to see whenever I post. Share with your family and friends. So guys, the aim of this video is to show you what this particular MCC uratta road looks like when it rains. And so guys, in today's video I will be taking you all around as much I can, by the special grace of God, to show you guys what this place looks like when it's rains. Guys, seriously, like, you all are not even seeing it physically. Like, this road is so irritating. Like, I regretted coming out. It's so slippery, like it's so dangerous, to be frank. Very, very dangerous, because anything can happen to you or can happen to your car. Do you understand? So guys, let us embark on this journey. Make sure you click the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notifications to see whenever I post.